how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Okay, so he got his gift, and this is a razor. What is it called?
Hoverboard.
Hoverboard. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what comes in the hoverboard. So let's go ahead, buddy. So this is the manufacturer's razor, and all right, let's see what comes inside the box. So this is your charger. See, it says right there. What does it say? Charger inside. Charger inside.
Charger inside.
So this is your charger. You know, this is what you're going to use to charge your battery. Okay, what else? That's a manual.
For using it.
Yep. Okay, and this is the hoverboard, right? Oh, what's here?
Those are the stickers to choose what you can put on.
Oh.
For that thing over there.
What thing?
Somewhere on the.
Oh, so.
It's there's different colors over here. See the options?
Yep. So I think the pink one is for you, right?
No, the blue is for me. The blue.
The blue, okay. All right, so let's take this out. Oh, I like that. These are these have some kind of, looks like a sandpaper, so it'll give you a nice grip, right? So you won't slip.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what's in here? Just a packing. So let's pull it out.
Those are tires.
All right, you can move the box away.
Okay.
Well, let's see. Let me see something on the box. Let me see something on the box first. So let's see what else is. Okay, so seems like this is, this is UL certified.
What?
Run time up to 40 minutes.
Maximum speed up to 9
Maximum
miles per
speed
hour.
up to 9 miles. Oh, that's pretty fast.
Wow.
And it has a lithium ion 25.2 volts battery.
What's a lithium ion?
That's something with the battery. I'll tell you later. Okay, that's for ages 8+. Man, you're 7, so you can ride this.
Still, I'm good as my friend hoverboard.
I know, I'm just kidding. All right, these are, okay, so you already talked about this. Animated multi-control LED. Oh, wow, it has LED lights too. Yeah. So, cool. Oh, this is the weight, 176 pounds. So that means even Daddy can ride it. Because I'm only 160 pounds. Yay.
Yeah, and I'm heavier too.
And Mama cannot ride it. Haha, sorry, Mama. All right, let's go ahead and get this out. Go ahead and pull the plastic bag out. There you go.
Warning, do not ride protect without.
So let's see, where do we charge it at? Seems like this is the charging port.
Yeah.
There you go. So we're gonna take this, let's go ahead and undo this.
I don't think we should charge it right now.
Yes, you have to charge it, man.
What? We can try. Can we try a little bit outside?
Oh, it may not be charged. I don't know. Can you untie this?
Can you do it?
I am trying to with one hand, and I'm recording too. Can you help me?
What do I do?
Let's hold this and keep twisting it around. And there you go. We can go ahead and plug it in. Let's see. Okay, so this goes here. This is like a reset or a power on, I guess. Oops. Yeah, that was a power on.
It works.
Yes, it did for a little bit. Okay, so now let's go ahead and stick our pads on the, what do we call these? Oh, it has an owner's manual, so let's see. It tells you how to turn it on. Tell power on and hold until the product beeps and light flashes. Approximately 15 to 20 seconds. That's for calibration. So make sure you guys follow the manual. And okay, so this is the charging procedure. Okay, so before we do that, we need to put our stickers on.
Wait, can I have the blue one?
Sure. Are you sure you don't want the pink one?
I'll do that for Mama.
Okay, so there you go, the blue one.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and stick those, and there we go. Okay, so it is ready, and everything is nice and stuck on there. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, so now it's charged up and ready for testing. And here comes my kid. You ready to try it out?
Can you help me stand?
Hmm?
Can you help me stand? Hold it with your feet.
You want to hold it?
Yeah, just hold it with your feet and help me stand on it.
Well, I think it's self-balancing, so it should be okay.
Not sure.
There you go. You got it? Oh, wow. That is pretty cool. You know how to slow it down and stuff? How do you slow it down? Just backwards?
Feet a little back. Push it a little.
Oh, push it a little bit back? That's not bad at all, man. I like it. How do you turn around? Oh, wow. You already know all that, man.
Because I tried out my friends.
Yeah, I think you need to bend your knees a little bit so you can have better control over it. All right, so you're doing pretty good. So what do you think? It's easy?
Yeah, it's easy.
You like it?
Yep.
All right, so we're going to give it a thumbs up?
Yep.
All right.